Today I'm going to be showing you how you can download the Tapestri app from the Google Play Store. How you can make money online with Tapestri using your data. So if you want to download the Tapestri app, watch this video to the end. And also, I've also included the link in my description box below, so you can check it out and download it right from your Google Play Store by hitting on the link. So let's get started right away. So the very first thing you want to do is to go right to your Google Play Store and search for Tapestri. It's spelled Tapestri, Tapestri Early Access. So you click on install. The moment you click on install, you have to wait for some second, to allow the application to get installed to your phone. Okay, it's about 9.12 MB total size. It's installing right now, 40%. Okay, you just have to give it some time, few seconds, and immediately you get your app installed right to your device. So once the app is installed, all you have to do is to click on open. Okay, it's installing right now. All right, so you click on enable and open. Right, so so it's open right now. Tapestri, so you can see Tapestri. And the moment you get into that, the next thing you're gonna do is to click into email. Get started with email. Okay. Yes, so you input to your email, you input your password. If you have a sign up code, you can do that by inputting the sign up code. You click on sign up button. Yes, and you're getting signed up right away. Immediately you get signed up, you're going to be sent a verification code to your email. If you're using Yahoo Mail, Gmail, whatever email you're using right away, you go straight to your email and search for the Tapestri message that was sent to your inbox. So the moment you find that message, you click on there, you see a 6-digit code that was sent to you via Tapestri's account. So you click on the email, you copy and go straight to your Tapestri app once again, and you type in the 6-digit code that was sent to your email, and you click on get started right away. Yes, you're getting started in Tapestri. Yeah, you're on the platform right now. So you can see, you can click next. Yes, it's your data. You get paid for it. So click next, next, next. So the moment you get into Tapestri, yes, so allow Tapestri to access your data. Thank you, and that's all you in right now in Tapestri. So congratulations for installing this wonderful app, and happy earnings too. Remember, this app is found in the US, in the UK, in Canada, and of course we don't have it in some other countries all over the world. But the company have said by the end of 2021 it will be available.